Have you ever wondered how the starfish, a creature without a brain or blood, survives in the vast ocean? Let's dive into the fascinating world of these marine wonders. Starfish, or sea stars as they are also known, are intriguing creatures. They belong to a group of marine animals called echinoderms and are found in every ocean on our planet, from the warmest tropical waters to the icy depths of the polar regions. When you think of a starfish, you likely picture a star-shaped creature with 5 arms. This is the most common form, but did you know that some species can have up to 50 arms? These arms are lined with hundreds of tiny tube feet, which the starfish uses for movement and catching prey. Now, if you're wondering how a creature without a brain or blood functions, you're in for a surprise. Instead of blood, starfish have a water vascular system. They pump seawater through their bodies to deliver nutrients, oxygen, and remove waste. This seawater is filtered and circulated through a network of canals and into their tube feet, powering their movement and feeding. But how does a starfish navigate and respond to its environment without a brain? The answer to this lies in their impressive sensory system. Each of starfish's arms is equipped with light-sensitive eye spots, allowing them to detect light and dark and sense movement. They also have a complex network of nerves running through their body, which helps them respond to their surroundings. What's more, they are equipped with a unique survival mechanism. When threatened by a predator, a starfish can lose an arm and then regrow it over time, a phenomenon known as regeneration. This extraordinary ability is one of the reasons why starfish have survived in the world's oceans for hundreds of millions of years. So, you see, the starfish is a uniquely fascinating creature, defying our standard understanding of life in the sea. Did you know that a starfish can regenerate its entire body from a single arm? Yes, you heard it right. The humble starfish, or sea star, as it's often called, is a marvel of the marine world, possessing an awe-inspiring ability that's nothing short of a biological miracle. Just imagine, if you were to accidentally lose an arm, it would be quite a predicament, wouldn't it? But for a starfish, it's merely a temporary inconvenience. In fact, they can not only regrow a lost arm, but given time, that single arm can grow an entirely new starfish. This remarkable process is known as regeneration. Now, let's delve a little deeper into the science of it. The secret to the starfish's regenerative prowess lies in its arms. Each arm houses a complex network of tissues and organs, including part of the starfish's central disc, which is essentially its body. When an arm is lost, the starfish kickstarts a process known as morphallaxis, where the remaining tissues reorganize themselves and start growing into a new body. But it's not just about growing back a lost arm. The implications of this extraordinary ability extend far beyond that. For starfish, regeneration is a crucial survival mechanism. In the wild, they face threats from numerous predators. When caught, a starfish can simply shed an arm to escape, and then regrow it later. It's quite a nifty trick, don't you think? Moreover, this regenerative capability also plays a key role in their reproduction. Some species of starfish can reproduce asexually by simply shedding an arm, which then grows into a new individual. It's like they have their own built-in cloning machine. In the grand scheme of life under the sea, regeneration gives starfish a unique advantage, allowing them to recover from injuries that would be fatal to many other creatures. In the face of danger, the starfish is a master of renewal, with the amazing ability to regenerate like no other. Despite their serene appearance, did you know that starfish are voracious predators? They may not have sharp teeth or claws, but starfish are surprisingly adept hunters, prowling the ocean floor in search of their next meal. Starfish have an intriguing way of hunting. They move slowly but steadily, using the tube feet on their underside to glide along the seabed. Their prey, often clams, mussels, or other shellfish, don't see them coming until it's too late. Now, here's where it gets really fascinating. Unlike most animals, starfish don't need to get their food into their mouths to start digesting it. Instead, they can extrude their stomachs out of their bodies, enveloping their prey and beginning the process of digestion right then and there. Imagine being able to eat your dinner without even opening your mouth. This bizarre feeding strategy allows starfish to take on prey much larger than their mouths could ever accommodate. It's a clever adaptation that serves them well in the competitive world beneath the waves. But starfish aren't just predators. They're also important players in the marine ecosystem. By preying on shellfish, they help to keep these populations in check, maintaining a balance that allows other species to thrive. So, beneath their calm, star-like form, these creatures are skilled hunters, playing a crucial role in the ocean food chain. While starfish are remarkable survivors, they face numerous threats in today's oceans. But what can we do to help? As resilient as starfish might be, they aren't impervious to the dangers that lurk beneath the waves. Pollution, for instance, is a significant threat. From oil spills to plastic waste, these contaminants can harm starfish, hindering their ability to feed, reproduce, and ultimately survive. Climate change, too, poses a formidable challenge. Rising sea temperatures can disrupt the delicate balance of marine ecosystems, potentially leading to conditions that are less than ideal for starfish. Furthermore, changes in ocean acidity can affect the starfish's hardy exterior, making it difficult for them to move and feed. Disease is another threat. In recent years, we've seen outbreaks of starfish wasting disease, a mysterious illness that causes these creatures to disintegrate. This disease has decimated starfish populations in various parts of the world, further highlighting the need for conservation efforts. So, what can we do to help? Conservation initiatives around the world are working to protect and preserve starfish populations. These efforts include reducing pollution, studying the effects of climate change, and finding ways to combat disease. But it's not just up to the experts. We can all play a part in preserving these incredible creatures. Simple actions like reducing our plastic use, supporting clean energy, and spreading awareness about the plight of the starfish can make a huge difference. As we marvel at the astonishing abilities of the starfish, let's also remember our responsibility to protect these wonderful creatures and the oceans they call home.